So I've been picking up so much crap and garbage, I actually went out and bought a pair of gloves just for cleaning up, and some other gloves to protect my hands. Third week in a row I've been out here doing this, doing the little fire and lunch and stuff, and every time I've been out here I've had to go and pick up crap. It's just unbelievable. Of course I can't really get it all in one go, but we're waiting for the fire to die down so we can bail. And Fernbark's gotta work and stuff, so protect your digits. These are insulated power grip gloves. Got them at Fred Meyer, a local store here, for $5. Found them in the garden section, or near the garden and outdoor section. So the tongs really weren't cutting it anymore. Kind of pisses me off. I have to sit there and always do this, but you know what I mean. I don't want to leave it trashed either. Which people will get a clue and not make a mess. So there we go. Man, 3 weeks in a row I've had to do this. This is what I really don't understand. This stuff is in a bag. It's like, if it's already bagged, why don't you take the bag with you? Well, at least it didn't all fall out, but a nice perk. Yeah, so this really pisses me off. This was just stuck into a stump. Shooting whatever these are, 9mm I think, maybe. Whatever the hell they are. But this was just sticking up in a stump, which means they were shooting this bottle and sending the glass right into the water. That's freaking despicable. Really not sure what someone was thinking here. Maybe they were shooting at him? I don't really see any evidence of... I don't know, we'll just stick them in and stop.
It's art. Either you know it or you don't.
I don't want to know it if it's garbage. I just like to know what people are thinking when they do this. I don't know what the hell this is. I hope it's not freaking human waste.
Here you go, you're doing a good job. I gave you this full beer.
Oh wow, thanks. I can't open with gloves on. bags of human shit? It kind of looks like it. Bags of people shit. See the color of that?
Yeah. Freaky.
It looks like bags of shit. Thank you for leaving your shit. Literally, for me to pick up. Maybe I should get a 10-foot pole to do this. That is. Toilet paper, maybe? Yeah, what do you think? Damn. So that's a little bit better. Got another bag of trash. These are very helpful. I might buy another pair. I mean, they're only $5. I'm pretty sure some of those blue bags, I'm pretty sure that was human feces, which is nasty. Really nasty. So I'm glad I was gloved up for that. Yikes. You know, I don't do this to get thanked. I do it because I want to leave the woods better than I find it, so. And I don't like coming and seeing garbage. You'd think other people would too, but they still just dump. So, I'd appreciate it if you actually share this video and maybe kind of spread the word and maybe other people get more involved in cleaning up. I'm kind of saddened that the larger YouTube channels don't ever talk about this or are out cleaning up litter and trash in their woods. So, you know, whatever. Thanks for watching. There we go. Got a few swallows for the drive. I think we're good to go.
So it's important to put your fire out with filtered water.
Yeah.